There are levels to this breakfast of a thing. As a wife looking for how to impress her husband and of course collect some cash, I had to go this way this morning. When your crush visits, make this for him or her. Every question return to yes I do. No problem. Just because you are starting your crush day with a nice meal. Oatmeal is one delicious meal that you can turn into different styles. Oats with fruit makes it more nutritious. Now let me show you how I made this Quaker oats meal using this simple method. Before then, fine girl, fine brother, have you subscribed to this channel? Please, if you have not done so, please don't forget to subscribe, as your comments and likes are highly appreciated. So we use the simple method. So first thing I did was to boil water in a clean pot and allow it to boil. Allowing it to come to a boil helps the oats to be easily softened. Allowed my water to boil and then transfer the oat into it and allow it to soak. Please, I turned off the heat and allowed it to soak. I soaked it for about 10 minutes, and while that was happening, I had to fry my plantain because I want to pair my oat with plantain today. It's not necessary you must pair with plantain, but if you do, go ahead and fry it at this point. So once it was 10 minutes, I brought out my oats. This is the same pot I soaked it with. Added a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt to enhance the taste of your oats. Because it has really soaked up the water I soaked it with, I added little water just to loosen it up like this. On a low heat, I stirred it for the next 3 minutes and I covered it to come to a boil. Once it's boiled and properly cooked, you will notice by the change in color and the way it will turn porridge. And of course, that's why some people call it oats porridge. Making oats requires a lot of stirring because once you take off your hand, it's getting burnt. Some people cook their oats with liquid milk, but here I did it with just clean water. Remember, while you're trying to impress your crush on this meal, you also do so on a low budget. I love to feed my guy with oatmeal because it's very rich in fiber. Even when you hear eat this, don't eat that, oats can never be mentioned. So after I stirred it for like next 2 minutes, guys, our oats is ready. This is me adding honey to it, but please, if you're allergic to honey, kindly skip this part. Remember, the aim is to impress my crush, so I added condensed milk so everything will be so yummy and so sweet. When I request for that cash, it will just be given to me with immediate effect. If you have not subscribed to this channel up to this point, please don't forget to do. If you don't have any fruits available, you can serve your oats plain, but just know that it's healthier when you add any fruits around you. So guys, as a good girl, I have to test the food before serving my crush. If you know that you collect when you test the food first, please don't do so. Ignore that part. So guys, enjoy yourself, and because as for me and my crush, we will enjoy ourselves over this meal. Until I see you next time, eat well, take care of yourself, because that's the only place you have to live in. Thank you for watching. Bye.